Hello everyone. So if you want to delete your applications on your iPhone 12 Pro, first of all you have to find the same application which you want to delete, and there are a couple of methods to do this. So the first one is to tap on the blank space on your screen and simply press this minus icon. Press remove from the home screen if you want to remove it from your home screen, or you can press delete app to delete it fully. The second way to do this is to simply tap on it and press remove app. So tap remove app, confirm your choice by pressing delete app, press delete, and now it was deleted just like this. Also, you can do this through your settings, so tap settings, scroll down to apps. Here you'll find all your applications. Once again tap on it, and here if it's not an official one, however, I don't have any unofficial ones for now, so if you have any, simply tap on it and press delete. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.